Good evening, all. Good evening, everyone. I hope you can all hear me. Okay, we're going to start this today's meeting now, and well, I will share the slides so that we can kind of paraphrase of what we did last week. Then we'll continue from there. And today we'll go deep into we'll touch some exact practicals, and by next week we'll talk on BI and SQL, and from there we just follow the step. So let me share my screen so that we can get someone like this. This is a slide that we're going to use. Okay, following up this precisely. All right, let's look at this. So in our last class, we talked about data. What is data? What is data analysis? What does it mean to have data analytics? And we talk about steps, what you need to do. First, ask questions, collect your data, prepare them. Then we talk about stages of data analysis, where we extensively discuss about each of them. You clean your data, you collect data. You first of all collect data, clean the data, prepare the data, visualize data, and then you present the data. These are the what we cover in the last. We started with collect data. That's the first stage. That's where we collect the data, either the internal or external. We put them together, gather the data, where it can be through survey, input, or the information that we gather from people, or it could be your supervisor or stakeholders that send it in the data to you, or it could be you that gather the data maybe by through survey or through information, or it could be that the data was gotten from the database. So it could be any of them, or all you need is just to perform your calculation on it. You clean the data. We talk about spreadsheet, we talk about database, what we need to know, and the difference between each of them. And also, we also discuss about it. Then after you have collected your data, after you have gathered your data, and then the next thing is for you to clean that data, clean the data. That is, you have to make your data look nice. That means at the process of collecting data, there could be some information that are not in line, that are not aligned properly. So what is now your duty as a data analyst to prepare and clean this data to make it suitable for presentation, either to your manager or to your organization or to whatever was required of you. So clean data largely depends on data integrity, making sure the redundancies are removed, making sure that duplications are removed, making sure that misspelling are being corrected, making sure that each of these. So we'll go into this. We'll have example of this, a practical example of this shortly. Also, we look at, then you analyze your data. Analyze your data is like you are asking questions. That's, you can use your SQL, that's SQL. You can use your SQL structure query language or your Excel also to analyze your data. There's a way like you are trying to identify, you are trying to probe certain things. You want to know, okay, this particular data, what information is it giving me? Analyzing, you can find, for instance, you might be asked to find what is the mean of this particular revenue, what is the total value for this particular revenue, which one has the higher percentage, different questions like that. That's what all the analysis is all about, okay? And then we can also use R programming or Python to do the analysis. Also, we can visualize your data. That's talking about chart and graphs. You should present your data, they make a visual presentation of your data, graphical one, put it in graph or chart. You have pie chart, you have line chart, you have bar chart, you have different types of charts that you can use. All this, we will see it in the Excel sheet. Also, then after visualizing, you have to present your data. Present your data to various stakeholders and show them. You can do that on your dashboard and share it with them, and make it from there. They can make certain decision. You can say, okay, this is what it's all about. This is what it's all about. Okay, so that is about that. So that was what we discussed. That was where we stopped in the last class. So today, let's quickly look at, okay, we talk about the first thing. After you have collected your data, the first thing is you clean and prepare your data. Clean and prepare data. When it's like when your laundry is dirty, what do you do to it? After putting all the dirty laundry into one place, what do? You clean them, you wash them. It's like you want to wash all this data. You want to prepare them, you want to wash them, iron them, and make them fit for our use. So this is what it's all about. That's what this is all, that's clean and prepare data is all about. So like one of the things we normally do when we are cleaning is you can text the column, okay? Split data into separate columns based on delimiter. So you go to on your Excel sheet. Let's say, for instance, you have your Excel sheet here, Microsoft Excel sheet. We are familiar with Microsoft Excel sheet. All you need, can you see my